Man, here with my little baby, you know what I'm saying? Finna change his thermostat. Nice and busy up and now. That's why you change the thermostat. Chevy Cruze, you know what I'm saying? 2012 LT at a 1.4. It's my first time doing it, but it looked pretty simple to me, so let's get to it. Alright, I follow instructions. Got that thermostat off. That's the old one right here. You know what I'm saying? Fucking terrible. You know what I'm saying? Got the new one finna bust down. Bust down, Faultiana. Bust down, Faultiana. Come on. Fuck out this bed. Ah! Bust down, Faultiana. See, it's a complete difference. Power. No power. Let's put this baby back on. Got that bad boy on. Let's get it. Got that new one on. Let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. See what's going on. Hot as hell out here, boy. Cicadas out here, all kind of thing. That engine light went off. Let's get it. So we just gotta watch the temperature gauge. Let's see what that do right there. Get that 5 minutes.